This bird can copy hawks, steal food, and remember you for years. Meet the blue jay, one of the smartest birds in North America. That loud, hawk-like scream? It might be a fake. Blue jays expertly imitate red-shouldered hawks, often to scare other birds away from food. And that brilliant blue color? It's a trick of the light. Their feathers have structural color, bending light to appear blue. Crush the feather, and the color vanishes. They're master planners, caching thousands of seeds and using remarkable spatial memory to find them months later. Perhaps wildest of all, blue jays can recognize individual human faces, warning their fellow jays if you pose a threat. So next time you see a blue jay, remember, it's watching you too.